Hello, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I'm going to fix a pot pie, chicken pot pie. So I'll have it over the weekend. So what I have got a pie shell. Had one left. It's cracked, but it is still just as good. You can use one. I've got it. This is a deep dish one. You need a pie crust. You need a bag of mixed vegetables. This is just out of Walmart, just a bag. You need 1 cup of cut up or diced chicken. I had got a rotisserie chicken, and this is just a bag of, I have cut up what was left of that rotisserie chicken. You need 1 cup. You need a half a cup of cheese of some kind, shredded cheese. I've got Kobe Monterey Jack. I happen to like that. You need some cream of chicken. You need a short sleeve of Ritz cracker, and of course all I've got is the long one, so we'll just use half of them. And the other thing you need will be 6 pats of butter. And I'll just lay my butter out and just let it be getting soft a little bit. So we shall get started. We're going to start off with heat your oven to 350. We're going to mix everything in one bowl except for the Ritz crackers, and we're going to put those on top. We'll start off with a bag of mixed vegetables. Seems like a lot of corn. And we're going to use 1 cup of chicken. One cup of diced up chicken. And this was a rotisserie chicken that I had got and ate what I wanted to and what I didn't. I just cut it up. You need a half a cup of cheese. So we've got a half a cup of cheese. And you need cream of chicken soup. I'm just going to stir that just a little bit. I've got my oven cut on 350. It's preheating. So we're going to mix our cream of chicken soup. I have never made one of these before, so we're just going to learn together, I guess. My sister made this, and she said you really need 2 cans of the soup, because 1 can, it just wasn't wet enough. So let's just see how it is once we stir it up. You know, that looks sort of wet. I don't know if I added another can of soup in it. It'd be too sloppy. And we're going to put it in our pie shell. And you can use canned vegetables. I just happen to have this bag in the freezer. And just spread it out. And we're going to take a half of this sleeve of crackers and crush them up and put them on top. I have found out anytime you need to crush up anything, get your Ziploc bag, take out what you need, and I'm just going to use half of this sleeve. Just an old-fashioned rolling pin. and just roll it, and it will crush them up in just a minute. And just take this and sprinkle over the top of the pie. Sort of smooth it out a little. I've never ate a pot pie that didn't have a pie crust on top, but we're going to sure see how this one goes. You need 6 pats of butter. So we just lay those around. And there's 6. That's all it is to it. And so we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for 35 minutes. Okay, I've got my timer set for 35 minutes. And here we go. Okay, this has been cooking for 35 minutes. Doesn't it look good? But you know, I think I'm going to put it back in the oven and cook it just a few more, maybe 10 more minutes, and let the crust on the edge get really done. Okay, my stove went off. It says it's done. I cooked it 10 more minutes, so it was 45 minutes altogether. So I'm going to just see what it's like. I know it's really, really hot, but let's just see what it's like on the inside. You ready? Well, the crust, it looks good. Very tasty. Everything is done. Ooh, a little hot. This is definitely worth fixing. I could not believe how easy it was. Everything mixed up in one bowl except for your Ritz crackers. And you just mash them up and put on top with some butter. Cook it in the oven for 45 minutes. And you have got a good dish for dinner. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. Offer me your comments. And come back to see me. Have a good day. And don't forget to join my channel.